One can only know what one makes, says Italian philosopher Giambattista Vico. Studio 2B strives to expand the field of architectural design through acts of experimentation. We test materials and tools to find new forms of architectural expression. We employ multiple media to investigate how architectural thinking connects to and influences design processes. Hands-on experience with materials and technologies forms the basis of architectural thinking in Studio 2B. We believe that understanding materials, their properties, their origins, and their impact on the climate and our physical environment is crucial for future architects. At Studio 2B, we make use of and question all forms of design methods, from hand sketching and physical modeling to a broad array of digital design methods, testing the merits and limitations of each technique to understand their influence and inspiration on design. We make heavy use of the school's production workshops because, in our opinion, virtual and conceptual experiments only become truly interesting when they find their way into the physical world.